In today's review, I'll be taking a closer look at Flinkster, a popular car rental service that promises to make your travel experience easier. If you're looking for an affordable and convenient way to rent a car for your next trip, you've probably come across this website. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from navigating the site to booking your car, and even some of the hidden features that might surprise you. Flinkster offers a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to larger ones, and it's known for its easy-to-use platform. The website itself is clean and intuitive, making it simple to find what you're looking for. You can select your location, pick up and drop off times, and even browse through different categories of cars, all with just a few clicks. But while the interface is user-friendly, there are a few things I've noticed that could be improved. For example, the search filters could be a bit more detailed to help narrow down the options faster, especially if you have specific needs like extra luggage space or a GPS system. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, one of the key factors when renting a car is pricing. Flinkster is relatively affordable, with competitive rates compared to other car rental services. However, prices can fluctuate depending on the location, time of year, and availability. It's important to book early to get the best deals, especially during peak travel seasons. One thing that stood out to me was the transparency in pricing, as there are no hidden fees when you complete your booking. You know exactly what you're paying for from the start. Another benefit is the convenience of booking. You can either rent a car by the hour or by the day, which is great if you're only planning a short trip. The booking process is straightforward, and the site provides clear instructions along the way, so you won't feel lost at any point. But it's not all perfect. One downside I encountered is that the availability of certain car models can be limited depending on where you're renting from. So if you're looking for a specific car type, you might not always find it at your desired location. Additionally, while the cars are in good condition, there have been occasional reports of cleanliness issues, though this seems to be more of an exception than the rule. Overall, Flinkster offers a solid car rental service with a range of features that make it easy to rent a car for your trip. The pricing is reasonable, the website is easy to use, and booking is a breeze. If you're someone who values convenience and affordability, Flinkster might just be the perfect option for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of services you need. Thanks for watching.